Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Confident Wreath. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. We're going to come over, put in a fold, do whatever fold you want to do. Over to the center, coming around. Come over, back like this. Let's do our first wreath. Now this is a very thick tie, so it'll affect it a little bit, but you can do this with any kind of tie you want. Thin, thick, skinny, whatever. All right. So we have this so far. Fold it back around like this. And I'm going to do that again. But I want to do it like this. Bring it back through. So we got this kind of layering going on. We want to do a quick wreath here and then just tuck it back and slide that over. Let me put my collar down because I want that little piece over here to stay, to be a part of it. It'll be just a little piece. It won't be a bunch, but it'll be in the picture there. So speaking of pictures, Simmonsessentials on Instagram is where you'll see the picture for this knot. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully and wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.